The high-quality, sporty interior of the new Audi RS5 Sportback is finished in black, and provides space for 5 people. Its square-shaped profile and loading width measuring exactly 3.3 feet enables optimum use of 17 cubic feet trunk capacity. Folding down the rear seats increases the capacity to 46 cubic feet. The rear seat backrest is divided in a 4:0:2:0:4:0 ratio as standard. The sporty nature of the 5-door high-performance coupe is emphasized by details such as the RS Sport seats with optional honeycomb pattern in fine Nappa leather, and the flat-bottomed RS multifunction sports leather steering wheel. RS emblems can be found on the seats, the steering wheel, the sill panel strips and on the selector lever. Special RS information displays in the Audi virtual cockpit provide information on tire pressure, torque and G-forces. In manual mode, the shift light display prompts the driver to shift up once the engine speed threshold is reached. Particular highlights of the RS design package include the contrasting red stitching on the steering wheel and selector lever, the Alcantara knee pads, and the red-trimmed seat belts and floor mats featuring the RS logo. For the Audi RS5, Audi Sport offers Sonoma Green Metallic as an exclusive paint option.